Hi everyone, we're going to be making some Madeleines, and I hope I'm pronouncing it right, but these are very delicious. We're going to need some eggs, sugar, flour, melted butter, lemon zest, vanilla extract, and some salt. So let's get over and we're going to beat up eggs and our sugar. Put it into our mixer, beat that for about 4-5 minutes on medium-high speed until we get nice foamy. And then that's all done. Then we're gonna add in our vanilla, salt, and lemon zest. Kind of mix that a little, and then put in our flour and fold it in. Gonna kind of fold it in and make it all smooth like that. Now slowly we're gonna be putting our melted butter, maybe like 1/4 cup or half a cup, and then you mix and then pour another set once it dissolves, and just continue like that until you get nice smooth dough. As you can see now, it all became all perfect. And then once it stood a little bit, it became like this. See, it doesn't make it run anymore. It became more stiff. So once it stands a little bit, as you can see, just became more like separated dough. So I got this little thing from Amazon. It's pretty cool. And then we're just gonna fill it up about like that. I mean, you can kind of work it out to see how much you'd need. But almost full, I would say. Almost full. As you can see, bake it on 350 for about 15 minutes, but mine took a little less. So once the sides start to brown, you don't want them to be completely brown, because then it's going to be kind of hard on that side. So slightly brown. So it took me about maybe 11-12 minutes, and then they're done. They're so good and so delicious, and you can see how soft they are. So good. I'm gonna try to bring it up closer for you to see. They're very delicious. They were gone. I had to bake something the next day because all the sweets were gone. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this with me, and you please subscribe and like. And I post videos. I try to post every week. So here we have some chocolate chips in a sandwich bag. I'm just gonna melt that. I put in hot water, and then it melted. Now we're just gonna use that to drizzle our Madeleines and sprinkle some coconut, dry coconut. That's what I had. You can leave them as is. You can drizzle some hot chocolate, or you can also sprinkle some coconut, which kind of gave a nice little twist to it. Yum, yum, yum. Delicious stuff. Like, this is completely good stuff and easy.